A record-breaking Paralympic Games came to an end for India on Sunday. And what a memorable 10 days it was. Beginning with Avni Likhara's gold medal on the shooting range and ending with Navdeep's javelin gold. Everything in between was historic too, as India's para-athletes scripted the country's greatest Paralympics campaign ever, culminating in an unprecedented achievement with a total of 29 medals. This remarkable feat not only highlights the exceptional talent and dedication of Indian para-athletes, but also signifies India's best ever showing in the history of the Paralympic Games. With 7 gold, 9 silver, and 13 bronze medals, India secured an impressive 18th position in the overall medal tally. Here's a detailed look at the individual achievements of India para-athletes who contributed to this landmark performance. Gold medalists. Avni Likhara clinched gold in the women's 10-meter air rifle standing SH1 event. Nitesh Kumar achieved gold in the men's singles SL3 category in badminton. Sumit Antil secured gold in javelin throw F64 in athletics. Harvinder Singh won gold in the men's individual recurve open in archery. Dharamveer dominated the men's club throw F51 event in athletics to win gold. Praveen Kumar achieved gold in the men's high jump T64 event. Navdeep Singh secured gold in the men's javelin throw F41 event. Silver medalists. Manish Narwal earned silver in the men's 10-meter air pistol SH1 event in shooting. Nishad Kumar secured silver in the men's high jump T47 event in athletics. Yogesh Kathunia claimed silver in the men's discus throw F56 event in athletics. Thulasimati Murugesan achieved silver in the women's singles SU5 category in badminton. Suhas Yathiraj won silver in the men's singles SL4 category in badminton. Sharad Kumar secured silver in the men's high jump T6 final. Ajit Singh achieved silver in the men's javelin throw F46 event. Sachin Sarjerao Khilari claimed silver in the men's shot put F46 event. Pranav Surma secured silver in the men's club throw F51 event in athletics. Bronze medalist. Mona Agarwal won bronze in the women's 10-meter air rifle standing SH1 event in shooting. Preeti Pal achieved bronze in both the women's 100-meter T35 and 200-meter T35 events in athletics. Rubina Francis secured bronze in the women's 10-meter air pistol SH1 event in shooting. Manisha Ramdas claimed bronze in the women's singles SUS category in badminton. Rakesh Kumar and Sheetal Devi achieved bronze in the mixed team compound open event in archery. Nithya Sresivan secured bronze in the women's singles SH6 category in badminton. Mariyappan Thangavelu won bronze in the men's high jump T6 final. Dipti Jeevanji claimed bronze in the women's 400-meter T20 final. Sundar Singh Gurjar achieved bronze in the men's javelin throw F46 event. Kapil Parmar secured bronze in men's judo 60 kg J1. Hokato Hotozesema claimed bronze in the men's shot put F57 event. Simran won bronze in the women's 200-meter T12 event. Stay tuned to Orissa Post Live for more such updates.